Welcome to Mutual Fund Distributors tutorial video again. In this section, we will guide you to familiarize with BSE Star MF platform for generating reports of the order placed. Some of the key relevant reports available to the members are provisional orders, order confirmation note, order log, order status, client fund obligation, redemption statement, allotment statement, SIP reports where you have registration, cancellation and installment due reports, ex-SIP reports where you have registration, cancellation and installment due reports option, member AMC mapping list. Members can view the name of AMC for which they can place orders from their terminal. Now let's see how to view orders placed in historic date. For this, we need to select member reports and then click on new provisional orders. This will navigate you to provisional order report page where you can select the particular order by entering the details as seen here and then click on the view to see the report. You can also export the report in text or Excel format. Now let's see how we can get the order confirmation of the placed order. For this, you need to access member reports and then select provisional order. Please click on print button which is on the left side of the data to get the copy of the order confirmation for your records. As you click on print, it will show you a print preview page and again ask you for the confirmation of print command. Now let's understand how to check the status of the order log. For this, we need to access member report from the main page and then click on order log. This will navigate you to order log report page where we can see the list of order log with complete details such as order number, MOD time, type, clients, details, etc. You can select a particular time period and date which will show you the all order log in that time period. You can also export the details by clicking on export to text. Now let's understand how to view the status of order placed. For this, please select member reports and then click on new order status. Now you have reached order status page where you have to fill in respective details as per the field and then click on the view button to see the new order status. You can export a text or Excel file for your record. Note, new order status will either be valid or invalid. Now let's understand how to view the status of bulk order placed. For this, you need to select member reports and then click on bulk OCN generation. Now you can fill in the details and see the bulk order status and export it for your records. Please note, new provisional orders shows the status of transaction on the real time, whereas bulk OCN bulk order confirmation note is available push market hours. Now let's understand how to generate reports pertaining to obligations and statements. You select daily download and then take the cursor on the respective option you need to select to generate reports. Now let's understand how can we see ex-SIP reports. For this, select ex-SIP from the main window and take cursor on ex-SIP option and now select or click on ex-SIP registration. This will bring us to ex-SIP registration form page where you can fill in details and save them to register. Members can view ex-SIP installment due report. For this, you need to access ex-SIP and then again select ex-SIP option, from where you select ex-SIP installment due report. Here you can fill in proper details like AMC name, scheme name, etc. Now select correct options and see the status by clicking on view button. Now let's see how to see the ex-SIP cancellation report. For this, please access ex-SIP and then select ex-SIP option and click on cancellation report. Here you can fill in appropriate details and click on submit button to see ex-SIP cancellation report for the selected dates. Now we will explain you a new feature on BSE Star MF which is called spread order entry. For this, you need to understand the functionality of overnight liquid fund product. This facility on BSE makes idle monies in CASA accounts work harder at all point of time. Although a member or investor sleep overnight, but their monies work for them. Rolling over the idle monies in CASA accounts is done to achieve the benefit of compounding, resulting with better returns. The purchase and the redemption orders gets created simultaneously. The redemption, which is the purchase order on historical navigation, and redemption order on the current day navigation. Hence, we create a spread of one day with single order entry through spread order entry option. For spread order entry, let's select spread order from the main tab, which will navigate you to spread order scheme watch page. Now you can select the correct options and view the spread order entries. But note, in this window, only liquid schemes of AMC would be available. Now to place the order, click on purchase. Clicking this will take you to a spread order entry page. Now you can fill in appropriate details. In order entry window, enter UCC, select transaction type, fresh or additional as the case may be. Transaction mode would be physical only by default. Folio number would be mandatory if transaction type is additional purchase is selected. Enter amount of investment for purchase. Enter sub broker code as the case may be. EUIN number is mandatory field. EUIN declaration to be yes or no as the case may be. For redemption details, enter either the followings: redemption amounts, all units. Select redemption date from the calendar available in the order window. Date can be any trading trading date from within T plus 30 days. Click purchase and now successful entry will provide order confirmation number on the screen itself. All the reports can be generated from the same option as explained earlier.